Hi Facebook fam, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever part of the world. Let me know if you're joining live, comment hashtag live. If you're joining me replay, comment hashtag replay. Yeah, so just here I've joined to share my win that I've completed 2 years of my Facebook live journey. So I would like to share exactly this date. I broken my biggest limiting belief, you can say. I removed my biggest fear of coming in front of camera, as I mentioned in my Facebook story. If you have watched my Facebook story, then you might have gone through all those complete story that I mentioned. Coming Facebook live or coming in front of camera was my biggest fear. Okay, that was the thing back in 2020 July. And what happened, I really would like to like give credit to two person who actually given me strength to go live. First one, Pankaj Singh, he given me, Sagar, you have to go for a 10-day live. I say, what? 10 day, not one day. Then what had happened, I just know, Sagar, you are taking it to the next phase of your journey. You got to take the step, because if you just stick with this fear now, this will keep with you for a lifetime. And I remember I heard this line from Gary Vaynerchuk. He said that your time is limited. That is something you have to uh, like make it count, right? You don't have to wait for perfect time to come or perfect thing to come. So just coming live just to inspire that one person. I'm not looking for hundreds of people can do it. That same mindset was back in 2020, that okay, I have to go live and remove all the fears and just inspire one person in through my Facebook live. Okay, and now that getting into thousands of members inside my Facebook community, about to reach 2000 members. I'm really grateful for my all mentors, because this is not me doing, this is the power of my mentors, blessings of my mentors and my parents. That's how I'm able to talk this confidently. Still I have a fear that okay, if I go live today, is it possible to match what their expectation from today. Still I have a fear myself, like my heart rate is pumping up, but still no, it's not like that. That fear was there in 2 years, last year, sorry, 2 years back. But yeah, I've removed a lot. Okay, it is not zero yet, but still I'm in the process of making it better every single day, just trying to grow 1%. Thank you so much for watching, Bhavin, Anil, Avinay. Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, you all are Titus, Rahat. Thank you so much for joining in live. Yeah, so I was like just like to give you what happened in this last 2 years. So the moment I started 10-day challenge, then I realized okay, there was one training I took from Russell Brunson. He told okay, if you take 365 days, you will be financially free. You will be like you will be not the same person. Then I go, I have to take this challenge. Then I took the challenge month of August 15th or 16th I took. Then exactly I just completely challenged myself to do it. Okay, so that's what I would say, that base of whatever product I'm currently promoting or selling, or you can say that a lot of people got benefited because of this base, because this me got confidence, and I created a challenge to help people. So yeah, how I got idea of Facebook live challenge, by actually seeing okay, if I help myself for this, there are a lot of people still struggling with this. Can I help at least 2-3 people? So my first batch was 5 to 7 people were there. I cannot remember exact number, but I know that 5 to 7 people, 5 people took action, completed throughout the challenge. So that was the thing exactly I was looking for. And that 5 people, next challenge I did, it was like 20 people. Next challenge I did is 40 people. That keeps on increasing. So that is what I did, 3 challenges for free. Then I realized that hundreds people registering and only just 20-25 people just taking action. Then I realized I have to make it paid. My mentor give me this push that Sagar, you have to ask money, that otherwise your value will not be actually they will feel that what kind of value you are putting, okay, not be respected. Yes, then I realized, then I launched my paid program, that my first money I took from my this audience. Then I launched my coaching, that completely changed. I would highly recommend to go and check out my story, Facebook story, if you have not checked out, because again the same story I would like not to share here. So just to inspire, yeah. Hi Yoshida, thanks for this. Thanks for your message, Rahat. Yes, inspiration. Yeah, that was the thing. Just one like to connect with you all. That this is the like last 2 year journey. I cannot see what is exactly next. So exactly the same message I would like to share. If you can just inspire that one person, you can literally can compound it in the future, right? And you need to understand that nobody is going to pay your bills and feed your family. Just this is something keep reminding myself whenever I try something push me back. Okay, what if people feel that? Actually, the one thing I like to say that people don't have much time. Even you are out from this world, still they will not think about you. After some time they will cry or something they will do. After some they will forget you, right? So don't so much literally think about them. Just give your best and mark your presence in the world, and whatever time you have, just give your best. So that is my one message. I hope I can inspire from this Facebook live. And yeah, do think like if I would like to, I'm planning to host another challenge, but I don't know. Do you think should I create another Facebook live challenge to help you go live and see how you can monetize your skill? If yes, type as Facebook live challenge. If I get more than 10 comments, then I will host another Facebook live challenge, most probably next month. That is I can do it. That is the thing. I need your input. If you have done it, then you can do it by yourself by just clicking on this thing. But you need my help, my guidance, how to structure Facebook live, or maybe how to monetize it. If you want to know more advanced feature of Facebook live, how to do it screen share, how to do it, tell these things, then I love to host once again. But I need your comment. At least if I get 10 comments, then I'll definitely do it once again for you guys. Yes, yeah. So the thing is, just like to mention that I don't want to do completely free. I'll charge you something, but the moment you complete the task, you'll get all your money back. Already people got the money back last challenge. So the money I'm taking just to make your commitment level, get your commitment level. Okay, because I want to just help you from my heart. Because since that changed my life, so you can do it. Yeah, that is the message I would like to give you, everyone. And yes, thank you so much. Bye bye, everyone. Take care. Good night.